today we're going to introduce a Halloween mask. I know it's a couple weeks away. We're going to take a look at it and see how it looks. But first of all, I want you to let you guys know how it looks at night and see how we can perform with it too. So very easy to use. It has one strap, long strap. It has a foam, so you won't bother you when walking around with it. And then it comes with the system here. It does require two AA batteries, right? And it just continues to have the batteries in here. You set it up and you continues to use it. Now there is a button here with the actual remote, and like I said, you don't only have one mask, you get two. So we're going to take a look at the actual remote. We're going to turn it on and see how it works. That's one mode right now, and it's the LED lights. They're all, you know, it's pretty safe. They're all bended over and stuff like that. And then you click on it one more time, starts flashing. Last one, and then it goes off already. So it has three modes: 1, 2, and 3. And then you just turn it off. I pretty much keep this on all the time, constantly when you're walking around. You know, it looks pretty good, and it lights up and illuminates pretty good at night. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.